अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, मैं आपको अलहुदा शॉर्ट एंड आईटी इंस्टीट्यूट के यूट्यूब चैनल पर खुशामदीद कहता हूं। इस चैनल पर मैं पिटमैन शॉर्ट हैंड के रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस और 700 और ऑफिशियल जुडिशल न्यूज़पेपर पैराग्राफ्स की डिक्टेशन के हवाले से लेटेस्ट वीडियोस को अपलोड करता रहता हूं। आप मेरी लेटेस्ट वीडियोस को देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। यहाँ से आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। इसके अलावा बेल के आइकन पर क्लिक करना भी मत भूलिए ताकि मेरी लेटेस्ट वीडियोस आपके नोटिफिकेशन बार में आती रहें। अगर आपको शॉर्ट हैंड से रेलिवेंट कोई भी क्यूरी हो, कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो, तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझे कमेंट्स भी कर सकते हैं। इसके अलावा आप मुझसे टेलीफोनिकली भी रब्ता कर सकते हैं। अगर आप मुझसे लाइव कोचिंग लेना चाहते हैं तो लाइव जो है पूरे पाकिस्तान में अलहुदा शॉर्ट हैंड आईटी इंस्टीट्यूट बेसिक लेवल से लेकर एडवांस लेवल तक की क्लासेस दे रहा है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। 80 वर्ड्स पर मिनट जर्नल डिक्टेशन recorded by Al Huda Shorthand and IT Institute Multan. Start. This article practices derivatives of outlines that use doubling in their basic form. Full stop. The derivatives sometimes do not use doubling because of the additional sounds and syllables, and it is a good idea to give these lots of practice, as it can be quite unsettling to begin to write a doubled form and then realize that it cannot be finished correctly. Full stop. Generally, the suffixing can be added without a problem, but past tenses and adjectives need extra attention so that you are confident when they occur. Full stop. If you do write the doubled form in error, just continue and write the second part separately, rather than hesitate over it all. Full stop. Drilling and practice will prevent it happening again. Full stop. To ponder means to think about for some time. Full stop. I pondered the question for many days. Full stop. You should not pander to his whims. Full stop. It is quite wrong that he should be pandered to like that. Full stop. Plunder is taking goods by force after a battle. Full stop. The invaders plundered the village in the area. Full stop. A carpenter may get a splinter in his hand while working at his carpentry. Full stop. Wood that is not hard can be splintered. Full stop. The rough sawn plank was very splintery. Full stop. Splendor means gloriousness, and the term many splendored refers to the object having several glorious attributes at once. Full stop. The workers often engage in friendly banter, but yesterday they bantered for their whole lunch or. Full stop. If you make a blunder, you will have to correct it. Full stop. The animals blundered into the crowd and caused a big commotion. Full stop. This report is going to engender some heated discussion. Full stop. His remarks engendered some annoyance amongst the staff, full stop. We listened to the thunder all day, full stop. It thundered all through the afternoon, full stop. The weather was very thundery, full stop. I like to embroider hats, and last year I embroidered one for my friend, full stop. I really enjoy embroidery as a hobby, full stop. I like to tender my payment in banknotes, but this morning I tendered it in coins, full stop. I never squander my money, comma, but I know that large sums have been squandered by others, full stop. These people will not tolerate any slander against them, full stop. If someone is openly slandered, they can take legal action, full stop. The newspaper article was highly slanderous, full stop. The horse was free to canter round the field, full stop. The horses cantered from one end of the field to the other, full stop. Last week I had a chance encounter with an old friend, full stop. I encountered several difficulties during the project, full stop and close.